Okay, so now we're going to represent the union of sets with the Venn diagram. Now the first case that we're going to discuss is when A is a subset of B. Now what does it mean by A is a subset of B? It means that all the elements of A are present in set B. Okay, so how are you going to represent the case where you say A union B? So here you can see that B is a bigger circle and A is written inside it, and all of the area is shaded. So since we are talking about the A union B and the union is only happening between the sets A and B, so we are only going to shade the area where the operation is happening. When we are talking about A is a subset of B, like all the elements of A are also the elements of B, so we're going to write the entire circle. We are going to draw the entire set A circle inside the set B to represent A is a subset of B. Now, let's talk about another case where B is a subset of A. Now, A is a bigger set and B is a subset of A, right? Now, which means that all the elements of B are also the elements of A. Okay? All the common elements of these two sets are basically the members of set B. Okay? So that's why we have represented the set B inside the set A, and we have shaded the set A and B together to show the operation A union B. Okay, so here in this case, when B is a subset of A, it means that the B is a smaller set, all its elements are present inside A, so the A is going to be the bigger set. That's why we have represented B as a smaller circle inside the set A. Okay, now let's have a look at the third case, which is A and B are overlapping sets. Now, the first two we discussed were the subsets, where there were subsets. Now, the third one we're going to discuss is the case when A and B are overlapping sets, which means that A and B have some elements that are common between them, not all elements. So, here you can see in this figure that the two circles, set A and set B, are only overlapping each other from the center. Okay, which shows that they lie the common elements. Okay, now we have shaded the set A and B together. Now we are not shading the universal set to show the operation that is being performed is A union B. Okay, so as I told you earlier, we're only going to shade the areas of the Venn diagram where the actual operation is being happening. Now, let's move towards the fourth case where A and B are disjoint sets. As you know, that disjoint means that no element of set A and B are common. So, we're going to draw those two circles separately representing set A and B, as you can see in this figure. But we're still going to shade both of these areas to show A union B. Alright, because in the examples, in the previous videos, if you remember the examples, like A and B are combined into one set. But since there is nothing common in between them, there is no overlapping happening in between these two circles. They are represented as two separate circles. Okay, so this is how you represent the union between the two disjoint sets. So this was today's lecture. Let's meet in my another video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.